Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today, we are going to learn something very useful. We are going to learn how to order food at a restaurant. This is real English, the kind of English you use every day. Before we start, here's today's question. Listen carefully. What do you say in English when you are ready to order? Think about it. The answer is inside today's conversation. Write your answer in the comments below. Now, let's watch and learn. Let's begin. Excuse me, do you have a table for two?
Yes, we have a reservation. The name is Mike Johnson.
We called this morning.
We would like a table near the window, please, if that is possible.
We like the natural light.
Thank you so much.
This restaurant looks very nice.
Yes, it does. I have heard the food is very good here.
I am so hungry.
Me too. Let's look at the menu.
The menu looks delicious.
Everything looks so good. I do not know what to choose.
Take your time. We are not in a hurry.
Good idea.
Okay, let's look at the starters first.
What is a starter?
A starter is a small dish. You eat it before the main course.
Oh, I see. Like soup or salad?
Yes, exactly. Soup, salad, bread, those are starters.
And what is the main course?
The main course is the big dish, the most important part of the meal.
I understand now. So starter, then main course.
And then dessert at the end, if you want something sweet.
I always want dessert.
Me too. I am looking at the chocolate cake.
That sounds amazing. But let's order the food first.
Of course. I think I want the tomato soup as a starter.
Good choice. I will have the green salad.
And for the main course, I want the grilled chicken.
That sounds really good. I think I will have the pasta.
Great. I think we're ready to order.
Should we call the waiter?
Yes, let's do that now. Excuse me.
The waiter is coming.
Good. Now, listen to how we order.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready. I would like the tomato soup, please.
And I will have the green salad. Thank you.
For the main course, could I get the grilled chicken, please?
And I would like the pasta. With extra cheese, please.
Can I ask, is the chicken spicy?
That is a great question. Always ask if you are not sure about the food.
Yes. Do not be afraid to ask.
And if you have a food allergy, you must tell the waiter.
A food allergy means your body has a bad reaction to some food.
For example, some people are allergic to nuts, or seafood, or dairy.
If you have an allergy, say, I am allergic to, and then say the food.
For example, I am allergic to nuts, or I am allergic to seafood.
The waiter will help you find safe food.
Always be polite, and always say please and thank you.
That is very important in English.
Politeness is everything in a restaurant.
Now, the waiter is asking about drinks. What would you like to drink? Could I have a glass of water, please? still water, not sparkling. I will have an orange juice, please. No ice, thank you. Did you hear that? He said, no ice, thank you. That is a special request.
A special request means you want something a little different. You can say, no ice, please, or extra lemon, please, or on the side, please. On the side means the sauce or dressing is separate, not mixed with the food.
For example, could I have the salad dressing on the side, please? Very useful phrase.
And if the waiter brings the wrong order, what do you say? You say, excuse me, I think there is a mistake, or I'm sorry, I ordered the chicken, not the pasta.
Always stay calm and polite. Do not be angry.
The waiter will fix the problem.
Good restaurants always want to help you.
That is true. And do not forget to say thank you when they help.
This soup is delicious.
Really? I am glad.
How is your salad?
It is very fresh. I like it a lot.
Let's learn some words to describe food.
Great idea. First word, delicious. It means very, very good.
Second word, fresh. It means the food was made recently, not old.
Third word, spicy. It means the food has a hot, strong taste.
Fourth word, sweet, like chocolate or cake.
Fifth word, salty, like chips or fries.
Sixth word, sour, like lemon or vinegar.
And seventh word, bitter, like black coffee or dark chocolate.
These 7 words will help you describe any food in English.
Practice them. Try to use them when you eat.
Now, what do you say if the food is not good?
You can say, excuse me, the soup is cold. Or, excuse me, this is not what I ordered.
Always start with excuse me. It is the polite way to get the waiter's attention.
And always stay calm. Restaurants want to make you happy.
That was a wonderful meal.
Yes, everything was delicious. I am very full now.
Full means you have eaten enough. You cannot eat more.
I am so full, but I still want dessert.
Me too. But first, let's get the bill.
The bill is the paper that shows how much you must pay.
In some countries, they say the check. In other countries, they say the bill.
Both are correct. You can use either one.
So, how do you ask for the bill?
You say, excuse me, could we have the bill, please? Or, could we get the check, please?
Let me try. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Perfect. That was very natural.
Now, what about paying?
You can pay by cash. Cash means paper money.
Or you can pay by card, a credit card or debit card.
If you want to pay by card, say, can I pay by card, please?
And if you want to split the bill, that means each person pays for their own food.
You say, can we split the bill, please? Or, can we pay separately?
Very useful phrases for eating with friends.
And after paying, always say, thank you. And maybe the food was wonderful.
Complimenting the food makes the staff feel good.
It is a nice thing to do.
Let's do a quick review. All the phrases we learned today.
Great idea. Repeat after us.
Do you have a table for two?
I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Could I have a glass of water, please?
Is this dish spicy?
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake.
Could we have the bill, please?
Can I pay by card?
Can we split the bill?
Excellent. You are doing so well.
Practice these phrases every day. Use them in real life.
The more you practice, the more confident you will be.
We believe in you.
Excellent work today, everyone. You did really well. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned. Today, we learned how to order food at a restaurant in English. We learned how to ask for a table, how to read the menu, how to order food and drinks, how to make special requests, how to describe food, delicious, fresh, spicy, sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and how to ask for the bill and pay. Now, do you remember today's question? I asked, what do you say in English when you are ready to order? The answer is, excuse me, I am ready to order. Or, could I order now, please? Write your answer in the comments below. I want to read your answers. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to Simple English Family. Press the bell button so you never miss a new video. We post new lessons every week just for you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now, and remember, English is for everyone. See you next time.